And here's I will show you how to fix OTG or USB not supporting in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Go to your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here tap on developer options. In your settings, if you don't see these developer options, then first of all you have to enable the developer options, and here's how to do it. From your settings, you have to tap on about phone, and here tap on software information. Now tap on this build number for 7 times to enable developer options. Verify your phone lock. Once it's enabled, go back and now tap on developer options. In developer options settings, if you scroll down here under debugging section, here you will find USB debugging. Just make sure to enable USB debugging, and once it's turned on, you have to scroll down and you have to find out networking section. Here you will find this default USB configuration option. Tap on that, and here you have to select transferring files. Once you selected here transferring files, now just simply restart your phone, and after that reconnect the OTG or USB, and then you'll see the OTG or USB is completely working in your phone. Thanks for watching.